Hey everyone, we're here today with our first ever drone. Dun dun dun. This is the DJI Spark drone and we are new drone users, so this is our first drone experience and we thought we would unbox, show you some footage from today, and away we go. Alright, here she is. The drone is about the size of
iPhone 6S.
They're very small as far as drones go, but supposedly have really good footage even though they're small.
Can I eat this?
No. Babe, this isn't Top Ramen, it's a freaking drone.
Now in this box we got a charger, USB, bunch of manuals, and here's the actual charger. And that's it. That's all that's in there.
It comes in a pretty nice case. Here's the camera, extra propellers. We did buy some extra insurance because since this is our first drone, we might crash into a tree. Alright, well, let's get started. So we went on an adventure, took about a 2-hour drive out to go to the Spiral Jetty to get some cool footage with the drone, and babe, what happened?
It turns out the car is not powerful enough to charge the drone battery. We learned that the hard way.
So we were testing the drone out in the yard and making sure we knew how to work it before we left, and we got the battery down to like 1 bar. So we just thought we could charge it in the car, and we brought the cable and everything, plugged it in. But yeah, turns out you can't charge your drones in your car. So if
At least the Spark.
Yeah, if anyone has any charging tips for people that like to go on adventures and travel and how to charge your drone, let us know. But for all of you who didn't know, learn from our mistakes. We're gonna have to go the spiral jetty another day.